Blessed morning to us all. Ito yung baon ng aking alaga for today, Monday. Rice na may corn, salmon, 3 slices na salmon, then may kurson at saka biscuits, and apples. Kasi bukas, orange at saka grapes ibibigay ko. So now, since it's not too long, short day lang niya, ito lang muna ang kanyang baon. Thank you for viewing.